What's up, you guys? Today I am sharing with you 5 accessory rules that you should break, that you should just cut and get rid of right now. Now, yes, there are some classic fashion rules that are there for a good reason. They are to help and enhance your personal styling, but there are other rules that are so absurd, they just need to be dropped. Things that were once looked down upon decades ago are entirely acceptable now. Honestly, in the end, accessories are there to help enhance your personal style and pull together a cohesive look. So let's get into those 5 rules that we're just dropping. The first rule is to always match your shoes with your belt and your handbag, and that is not true. We need to break it. Now, this was trendy back in the day. It's time to abandon the rule. And if anything, by matching all of these perfectly together, it actually dates your outfit. I have a funny and kind of sad story to share. I hope that the woman who I'm talking about does not watch my videos. I don't think she does, but we're gonna take our chances. So I have a friend and her mom came to visit her in New York City. Now, obviously in New York, you walk around a ton, you need good shoes, you're always on your feet. So my sweet friend's mom brought a pair of red high-heeled clogs and a red bag that matches it perfectly. And she brought a black pair of flats and a black bag. Here's the problem. She forgot the black bag. So the only match she had were these red high-heeled shoes and this red bag. And bless her heart, she wore them the entire trip. It like hurts my feet to think about this, but she would not abandon this rule. Too matchy matchy is dull. So bring in some interest with color and with texture. It is okay. The only thing you really need to consider when pairing together accessories is making sure that the vibe is the same. Whether you're going for a sporty vibe or a formal or a very casual. This will keep the look cohesive, but by mixing up the color and the textures and the patterns, it's gonna also help your outfit be more dimensional and interesting. The second rule that we are breaking is don't mix your metals. Wearing a silver ring with a yellow gold bracelet was once considered a big old fashion faux pas, but it is now very commonplace to mix your silvers and your white golds and your yellow golds and your rose golds. It's okay. So if you have a silver toned watch, stack on those gold bangles with it. It is okay. You just want to make sure that the metals aesthetically look good together. Yes, we are breaking the rules. We are getting crazy here by mixing metals, but you just want to make sure that you are still looking intentional and purposeful when you do that. Now, a lot of you may love the look of that mixed metals when other people wear it, but you think, yeah, I don't know how to do it myself. I can't do it. Here's a very easy tip for doing it yourself. Simply grab one mixed metal piece of jewelry. One piece of jewelry that has 2 or more metals in it. So that could be a yellow gold bracelet with white gold accents within the bracelet. So this is naturally gonna act as this bridging piece, allowing you to incorporate other colors of metal into your look, whether that is through rings or a watch or a necklace or earrings, and it's just gonna help the look be more intentional. The third rule is sneakers are for the gym only. Not true. And thank goodness, sneakers are so current right now, and they are being worn with everything from dresses to skirts to jeans to pantsuits. Like, they are all over the place, and you can take your fashion staples and simply pair them with a pair of sneakers and still look really put together. Look for a pair of sneaks that combine functionality with style and with comfort. If your sneakers are not comfortable, you're missing the whole point of this. And if you don't have a great pair of sneakers and just don't really know which ones are gonna be the best for you, I always recommend starting with either a white pair of sneakers or a really light beige or a light pink, something that you're gonna find really versatile and that will fit seamlessly with your existing wardrobe. I will link below a couple pairs that I just absolutely love and are my go-tos pretty much every day. The fourth rule that we are breaking is that more is best. We are living in a consumer-driven world where we just want more and more and more. Ariel taught that to us from a young age where she said, I want more. Thank you. It's fun to be playful and creative in your dress, but you don't want to overdo it. If you are wearing something with a really bright, eye-catching print, make sure that everything else is toned down in your look. You want there to be one focal point that your eye goes to when you look at someone, and everything else should just kind of play second fiddle to it and should complement that one focal point. So let's say that you have a bright floral dress. Offset that bright big pattern with a nude shoe and a matching solid bag in a complementary color. Once again, you want there to be one focal point and everything else is just gonna simply complement it. The fifth rule that we are breaking is that black goes with everything. Now, oftentimes black is considered a neutral color for good reason. It is technically a neutral, but that doesn't mean it should be your go-to color when you are choosing an outfit, especially when you are choosing a pair of shoes. If you are wearing a lighter outfit, like pastels, which we're gonna see all over the place this spring and summer, then a black shoe shouldn't be your go-to. Instead, choose a lighter color shoe like a beige or a cream or a white. This way the shoe is going to complement the outfit and not distract from it. All right, you guys, those are my 5 accessory rules that we are breaking right now. Right now, we break those rules. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and stick around for my next video.